Hi, I'm Nicole Singleton from Smarter Business Journal. Today we're going to talk to Max Safai and find out how he came in as CEO of Neato Robotics and helped turn the company around with this great product.
Neato Robotics has introduced the first of a kind self-cognizant, high cognizance robot into the market. These are robots that are based on SLAM technology. These are simultaneous localization and mapping. Our robot, as it wakes up, basically maps its environment. Then it knows where it is with respect to the walls and the furniture and so on. I joined the company in October 2007 when the company had depleted Series A financing. I was interviewed by the board, and when I came to the company, we basically had a very tough task ahead of us. The economy wasn't doing very well. The economy is still not doing very well. But we had to refinance the company, recapitalize the company, look at what the team had built during the first year of its existence or a year and a half of its existence. And out of what they had built, pick the actual gem that they had created and do not be afraid to do a redo, basically. When I came on board, fundamentally the product I had developed was nowhere near a product, and but the concept was sound, and the key technology that the team had developed was this laser distance sensing device, which is, for lack of a better word, a laser rangefinder. And it's like a radar based on laser and triangulation, and basically was able to look at the environment and see the map. Everything else, you know, it was a clean slate. We basically got rid of everything that they had done and rebuilt a new product around that technology. And even the technology itself, we had to redo it and make it, you know, productize it, because it's easy to do a proof of concept in the lab. It's not easy to come up with a product that you can commercialize and sell and be robust. You know, the vacuum cleaning market in general is a $4.5 billion market in the US. And you know, we, one of the other major players in the market has been successful in introducing the robotic vacuum cleaning terminology into the lexicon. So as a customer, when you go to the market, you're not unfamiliar with the term robotic vacuum cleaner. So in that sense, that's been good for us. What we are trying to compete with is actual stand-up vacuum, prove to the customer that we are as good as a regular stand-up vacuum. It's not a toy, it's a real appliance. What you have to do is to sort of give them a very clear focus on the objective, on here's a hill we're going to conquer. And we're not going left, we're not going right, this is the direction we're going. And once you have the overall objective, then all the other objectives they have to define themselves within that objective. If it's in that line, then you're doing good. If it's not within that line, you're distracting your team, you're confusing the team, and people don't really know what they're supposed to do. The other thing is that employees should not be constantly worried about their livelihood. And so, you know, I told them, leave the financing to me. I will bring the money into the company and we will recapitalize the company. You focus on your job. Just make sure you deliver. Without a doubt, the best decision I've made was to get rid of the old product. And we would have wasted a lot of time trying to fix that up. And sometimes it's just easier to just take everything on the side and take the technology that makes sense out of it and do a redo. That is by far the best decision. So you could have in some of the startups companies that have too much religion, and you have in some of the startups companies that don't have enough religion. And the key is sort of be able to walk in that middle ground, you know, not to completely abandon your religion, your vision, your inspiration, and what you're trying to achieve, but also not to completely be slave to the numbers and margins. And so you have to really be able to walk that fine line. I think that is one of the key to success that most CEOs forget. You know, everybody's worried about the next quarter, everybody's worried about the margins, everybody is worried about the shareholders, and those are really valid concerns. But you cannot forget what you're trying to bring into the market. We have to stabilize our business so that we are cash flow positive, and then add more products to our portfolio and grow this business. That's, you know, a lot of people say, well, we want to go IPO, and we want to, those are good, far goals to have, but they are slightly distractive. You know, what I'd like to focus more is, right now, the next step is to stabilize the business.